You can see why they used caves to hide things in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Very much.
What kind of crazy people would go in here?
Crazy people.
It's literally,
That's we're all in here.
it's literally a bank.
What if I just
Well,
rolled
that's,
it
isn't that like Wade's thing? He always talks about the Dalton brothers hiding out, right?
Yeah.
You guys heading on down?
Yep.
Okay, going down. I'll catch up to you eventually.
Are you okay?
Alright. I can tell the time it is. It's 12:20. We've been in here, what, about 15 minutes maybe? 12:25. 12:25. Call it. Okay, we're gonna hold up right there where you guys are.
You guys can move forward to where Grace is on that flat
You
area.
go on down. If you want. I'm gonna go climb in behind you here.
Oh, that's cool.
There we go. Okay, we're not gonna go down that way, guys.
Hold up.
That's too easy.
Too easy.
Actually, it's not, but I'm not gonna tell you that.
Do we want to crawl through that one?
You'll see.
Oh, no. I loved it.
Okay.
That was so I got my phone. Yes.
Now this being the first room, it's not very big, but this is where we are right now. From this room says a maze cave. There's several passages. There's one we came in. There's down there, but that gets really tight. So we're not going to go down there. It gets down to about that big around. Okay.
My sized.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
I've been down there a couple of times, and it's a struggle. So I'm not going to do that. And plus, I promised the owner I wouldn't take anybody down there. There's this passage here, which is, it's all right. There's one right behind that rock there. It's all right. But we're going to go up here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? Now, there's a couple of ways to do this.
Girls, listen so you know how to do it.
Trade spot.
This rock here.
Girls.
You made me look
Easy.
Some people like to just stoop underneath this rock, and just on the other side of this rock, not all the way back, but on the other side of this rock, you can pop up here, pop here, and then climb up there, okay? Or some people prefer to go on the outside, which is 1 foot here, hold on to either side of this, here, and just go up, okay? Now, if you're going to go on the outside like that, I have to spot you. It's just rules and regulations for safety. But if you're going to go under here, you don't need a spot because you're pretty well.
Tell us about hopping up, what that means.
Okay. Who wants to go this way? You're the first.
Oh, I know. Oh, that's Grace.
Okay. Okay. You want to go on the outside?
Yep.
Okay, hold up for a second. Who wants to go underneath?
I will.
You want to go underneath? Come here. Okay, you go here, and just on the other side here, like where my hand is, come up. Now you see this hole in the wall?
Yeah.
If you stick your foot in there, you can back yourself up
Okay.
and sit on that ledge there. There you go. There's Papa.
It's like a chicken in a box. It's Olivia in a box.
And that's it. That's it. And just go up that way.
Okay.
Mrs. Sutter's going.
Just take a look.
Okay.
Really cool.
All right. Has anybody done the rope course at camp or?
Yeah.
Okay. So you know, have you done any spotting?
Yeah.
So you know the spoons, forks. Did they teach you that? We do use spoons, not forks. Okay. So
Olivia.
take care of your friends. Okay. If they need a spot, just give them a spot. Okay. Who wants to do this one?
I'll do it.
All right. Let's go for it.
Take your time, too.
Put 1 foot here, and you want your right foot here. I have to get the right one. Right foot there. Put your left foot on this. Now hold on to that stump and up here on the shelf. Okay, keep your body over top of your feet here, okay? Don't let your body go back. Okay, now push up until this foot comes right here. Okay, that's it. That's it.
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. Now you guys are gonna head up there. When you can just step out of this crack up, just go there. Just stay away from the edge, okay? Because if you fall, you'll land on me and I'll get hurt and cry.
You're in charge of this.
I don't like to cry in front of people.
Megan, you pass up the
Pass
No, don't climb
it.
up that part. Just keep going until you're up into that room.
Let's pass it to Olivia.
Okay, who's next?
I'll go.
All right.
I'm gonna go under.
Okay, you go ahead. I don't have to spot you going under. If you want to go under, just go on under. And then anybody want to do the outside? Okay.
I'm back with Jimbo.
Are you going under? Yeah. Go ahead. I'm ready. You can go back there and follow.
Oh.
Do you see this
Yeah, I
foothold?
see it.
Okay. Wait till she's gone, and you want to put the right foot. Hold on to
Abby,
there.
when you're up there, I'll throw Jimbo at you.
There. Wait till she's out of the
You
way.
good, Grace? Don't drop Jimbo.
Okay, go ahead and pass it up.
All right. Very good. Okay, put your foot right there. Okay. I got this foot. Keep
I
over
think
top
Grace
of your
found
foot.
something cool.
That's it. That's it. Keep over
Yeah,
top of your
Meg.
feet. That's it.
Nice
Perfect.
job, Meg.
Perfect. Guys are awesome. All right. Who's next? Who's doing what?
Gwen's popping. I will pop.
You're popping?
Alan, did you say the tunnel to the right,
This
does
connects.
that connect to it or does it?
Eventually.
Okay,
Eventually. But not right away.
okay.
I've had some scouts that like coming out of there
Yeah.
from way on the other side.
You don't want to throw it up here.
You're doing good.
I don't know. What are you doing?
Like where I have
You can tell where we puts their hands.
Yeah. How worn it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Is
This
that
foot
foot?
here?
No, you had it right. You had it right. Your right foot. Put your left foot here, and then your right foot there. Okay.
Mega sis.
That's it.
Perfect.
And then just walk on up. It's like stairs. Very, very strange stairs. It's not.
It's not bad. Wait, guys, look around though. I know this place is so cool.
Very good.
Ooh, nice little room up here.
I did.
Very good. Very good.
So guys, when people were first going into caves, how do you think they found their way out? They did it. They left the trails. Or they brought string with them.
Awesome.
This is so cool.
Nice room.
This could make us cool.
It's like the family room right here.
Yeah, there's a very small down there. Are we going this way? Or that? Or are we going that way?
Miss Sutter's on a roll.
I want to go that way. Or that way.
Did you guys pop or did you?
I popped.
Locked. You're just hanging out and rolling.
Okay, how's everybody doing?
What did you
I snapped,
Good.
crackled, and popped.
All right. Everybody's okay?
do? Yep. Where we go?
Have they ever found anything neat in this treasure? In this
Depends what you mean by neat.
like skeletons or anything like not of people, but of
No, every once in a while, it's not so much anymore that you find raccoon skulls and stuff. They've been in here, and that's another reason
Okay.
for that gate
Yeah.
like that, is to keep the.
animals.
because I can't imagine the smell too.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
the midst of decomposition.
Well, it's not just that; it's that they poop in the cave.
Oh yeah.
Man, that reeks. So,
Yeah.
but there's ways for the bats to get in, but only the bats.
Well, they can
Yeah,
get
Not
rid
too
of
I
much.
saw
all
one of
these.
those things
They
like
can
this.
find
Yeah,
their way
yeah.
out. Any like gems or things like that?
No.
No. Okay.
No,
So it's
It's
literally just
Limestone.
limestone.
it's just limestone. This is not a very well decorated cave. This is a more decorated part of it. There's decorations way in back further. Okay, like some stalactites, stalagmites.
Any
and
like carvings from like this
No.
1700s or anything?
No, this wasn't opened until the
Right, this is
1900s.
all closed up.
Okay.
So it's
got it.
it's
Got it.
pretty recently discovered.
So no Chester copper pop.
Yeah.
Can we
Yeah.
anybody?
Yes, I got it. I got it.
This room has, okay, there's the way we came up, okay? You can drop down this hole here,
Oh.
follow a passage. You can drop down that hole and follow a passage, but that one has a really nasty climb at the end. You have to go, there's a chimney about this big around, you have to try to get up and climb down. We're gonna avoid that for right now. If I see that you guys are doing really good, we may do it on the way back. And then that way. But that way has its own tricks too. You have to, it's better if I show you. If as you're looking down that crack there, on the left-hand side, about foot level, there's a horizontal crack, the length of that passage, and you stick your toes into that side, and then you put your back against the other wall, and you kind of like skid
Like you did as a
sideways.
kid going up the doorway.
Yeah.
Okay.
My child put a foot through the wall.
But if you,
Wait, what?
That was the.
I could show you how to do it, but if you want to try to figure it out and go and just start headed down there until you get to the next room, you're welcome to. Unless you want me to go first, I will go first.
Can I just pop down there and take a look?
Absolutely. You could take a look. It's a crawl. It's a pretty much a hands and knees belly crawl all the way to the back, and it meets up with the next room.
Show us your dirt, Nate.
Oh man.
It's tight in the beginning. I forgot that part.
Let's go this way.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Guys, at this point, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, no, that's why we were on it.
Just don't.
Do you?
Doesn't matter.
Did you want to
Hand?
try it?
How far is it?
It's not that far, really. It's just,
It pops out up over there?
yeah, in the next room. You have to go through there until you get to a room where you can stand up and you look up and there's this big hole in the ceiling you have to climb out of.
Okay.
If you want to give it a
Is that
shot,
the one with the chimney?
yeah.
Will we see the chimney on the way back?
Yeah, we can do it on the way back and drop down into it. It's a lot easier with gravity when
Okay.
you're climbing out from there.
How high is the chimney? I just want to make sure I don't.
It's about 6 or 7 feet up.
Oh.
So it's not really high, but it's so big around, it's hard to get hand and footholds
Okay.
on it.
What do you
Alright,
think?
well, that's
Kat?
what
You
you
wanna
gotta
go this
do.
way?
Yeah, I do.
With your back
Alright,
against
I'll-
But you're welcome to go look at
It should
it.
be okay.
If you don't like it, you can always come back. You're never committed to one passage. I just want to make that very clear. You guys can change your mind at any time.
And make sure there's no holes where okay, wait.
Oh, hello down there.
This is Jeffrey.
Oh, beautiful. That's the drip. Now that's the original drip.
Yeah.
Put your back against this wall. See how there's a groove here? Here, take this.
I don't know, do you see the chimney?
Put our back against the wall.
Where'd they go?
They're underneath of us.
Okay.
They're
Okay, I
belly
see.
How high
crawling.
is it down there?
Oh, did you see it? Yeah.
This one's fun. Doctor, are you coming with us?
I'm with you.
Okay.
I got you.
You're only stuck left with me now.
Hey, do you want me to take Jim Bob, Olivia?
And there's also another passage which is really kind of hairy onto the right here up high.
Hold it.
Got some. I get down, then I can take it.
So when it's 2,400 linear feet of passage, that's all included.
Yeah.
So this is not straight in and out. We could spend hours in here
I'm all right with that for
and
now.
not go very far.
If you need me to, I will try, but it's a little dicey here for me. You might just pass him forward and heave him down the hole.
Alright, give him to me. Alright, I'm using my elbows instead of my hands.
You're gonna go down to the end and then step down when it gets down to the point you can step on the floor.
Nice, girls. I'm loving that.
You guys are doing good. You guys are following instructions very well.
Is this just a natural?
What's that?
It's a gap in the rock.
Yeah, but is it natural?
Yeah. Yeah, nothing's been changed in here. It's all natural.
Girl, one hit. Right now, Mrs. Jim bought both of them.
I just keep moving. My butt is like where your elbows are. Well, there's a reason I'm lowering myself to my elbow here. I can't.
Okay. So, Grace is trying to do it.
You just keep on going until you run out of crack in the wall, and then you can step down.
You got it. You do good.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It only took like
It's been
Couple
doing
thousand
that.
years to form.
It's been doing that for so many years. It's not going anywhere.
Let's go
I
run.
feel sorry. That was really random.
Hello.
We hear you. Can we see them?
I can see the
Wait,
light.
I don't think you see him yet.
at last I see the light.
Uh-oh. You guys are singing.
We do burst out into songs sometimes.
Oh, my.
We're that kind of group.
Oh, my.
I made it. Yeah.
Do we just step down now?
Pretty much.
Yeah, when you get to a point where you're close enough to the floor to step down.
Yeah, that's pretty far for these legs. I'm not gonna lie.
My legs can't do it.
Girls have longer legs than I do.
No, I think they're up there. Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Another ladder here.
Hey
Yeah.
guys.
Hi. Hey. I see her. Are you guys on your hands and knees?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
And belly.
Wait, do you want to go left or right?
Okay, hold up. Hold up. I want to get everybody together
Down
here.
the hole.
All right. Now,
Nice. Hi up there.
you made it. We're going to come down. Go down this way.
Okay.
Let me get past you guys a little bit.
They go up the chimney.
No.
Hold up. Don't go too far there.
Grace, hang on.
Grace.
Grace, hold on. Let them have passage out.
Olivia, watch out.
Let me get over here so I can spot them on this little bit of an edge, because I don't want anybody falling off of here.
We're going down there?
Okay, you're gonna come down here.
Okay.
And there's a rock here you can step down on.
Got it.
Now,
Got my 3 points?
you have to step out to it because there's,
Nothing.
yeah, don't go straight down because it's not pleasant.
Not pleasant, honey.